camping at Doi Pui National Park. Their Khao Soi is considered the best in the entire Chiang Mai Province. I am at Yellow Truck Coffee Chiang Mai. The customers are mostly local Thai, as I'm the only foreigner. This is Americano, which is 40 baht. I got the Vietnamese omelette, 45 baht. The location is pretty much right next to the clock tower. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I am at 왓렁쓰아뗀, also known as the Blue Temple. It's 8:23 and I am at 왓후어이쁠라깡, also known as Goddess of Mercy, Chiang Mai. It's 8:55 and I am at Pong-Phrabat hot spring. You can get a private room if you wish, and here's the price. One person per room 50 baht, two people per room 80 baht, three people per room 120 baht. It looks like this area is 20 baht to use. This is the area where you get to soak your feet for free. No foreigners. I'm the only foreigner here. Very nice, very nice. You can get a Thai massage here. 1 hour, 150 baht, 30 minutes, 100 baht. I'm at Chiang Rai Bus Terminal 1 to catch the 12:30 bus to Chiang Mai. This is the VIP bus I'll be taking to Chiang Mai. It costs 305 baht. It's 4 o'clock. I just arrived in Chiang Mai RK Bus Terminal. It looks like I will be taking a red taxi to the city center, 40 baht per person. It's 4:36 p.m. I am standing across from the Taipei gate. Rented a Honda Click 125cc for 350 baht per day. I came to Mr. Beer Money Exchange, which is a very good review. It's noticeably cooler up in the mountain. It's 6:35 and I arrived at Doi Pui Campground. I am camping at Doi Pui National Park. The cost is 30 baht tonight, and I just have to find an empty spot to set up my tent. No domestic animals, no alcohol, no fires. Be quiet after 10 o'clock. It's getting dark. I need to quickly set up before it gets really dark. This will be my site for the night. Then it's getting dark, so I need to hurry up. Good morning. It's about 6 a.m. on April 12th. I camped last night and slept pretty well. That direction is Chiang Mai, but the view is not great. It's okay. It's not the best. Let me step out of my tent, show you the campsite. Here's my tent. It's a new tent from REI called Flash 2 that just came out right before I started the trip. It's a pretty decent tent, very light. The sky is pretty clear today. There was some wind that probably pushed some of the smoke away. As you can see, not too many people camping. This is one of two toilets. There's another one down the hill. It's very basic. No hot water at all. You can do your business and also take a shower. It's 7:40 a.m. I'm all packed up and ready to go. Here are my bags. I have to carry with me on the motorcycle. I am at Doi Pui Hmong Village. This village is a lot bigger than I expected. I am seeing a lot of vendors selling souvenirs. This place is way more touristy than I expected. I want to see shops selling stuff. How right crab?
70, 70 baht.
70 baht. Okay.
Okay, no, big one.
Yeah, good. Falcon crab. There are many reviews that this is the best place for Khao Soi in the entire Chiang Mai Province. I'm gonna go check it out. Surprisingly, it's in the Hmong Village in Doi Pui. It just opened. I'm the first customer today. Khao Rai crab?
Beef 80 baht.
80 baht.
Chicken 65 baht.
I am at Khao Soi, Loong, Surin. Loong means uncle, Surin is the owner's name, so Uncle Surin. This is Khao Soi Nua, which means Khao Soi beef. They also have a Khao Soi chicken, which is Khao Soi gai. Their Khao Soi is considered the best in the entire Chiang Mai province. This is their homemade kimchi. It's a Thai style kimchi, it's not a Korean style kimchi. They source their red onion from India. Very nice, very nice.
Machita, machita. Yeah, machita.
The beef is very tender. Noodles have a very good texture. It's not soft, it's not hard, it's about right. The broth has perfect spiciness and aroma. Very tasty. A lot of flavor. Is this the best Khao Soi in Chiang Mai? It's very possible. Very possible. Very nice. Only 80 baht. There's no English sign here. So this is along this street, very close to the entrance of the Hmong village. It's just about 50 meters from the entrance. It's on the left side, and it's called Khao Soi, Loong, Surin. Okay, very good. I recommend it.